At first glance, this looks like a terrible mistake. A tiny bird has willingly stepped inside the mouth of one of Africa's deadliest predators. One snap of these jaws could end its life in an instant. Yet instead of flying away, the bird keeps moving closer. So what could possibly be worth taking such an enormous risk? The bird isn't looking for the crocodile. It's searching for tiny scraps of food trapped between the giant reptile's teeth. Scientists believe the bird may simply be taking advantage of an easy meal, though exactly how often this happens in the wild is still debated. The crocodile has enough power to crush large prey with a single bite, yet for a few remarkable moments, it allows the tiny visitor to leave unharmed. In the wild, survival sometimes depends on strength, and sometimes on perfect timing.